Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nicole from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today's video is going to be a very quick video on how I designed Happy Reindeer. It's a pretty simple design, so I don't anticipate this being a very long video, but stay tuned as we get a close-up look at how I designed this bangle. The bracelet I chose to design Happy Reindeer on is the Pandora Rose Mesh Bracelet. I just love the mesh bangles. I think they're so beautiful. You can either dress these up or you can wear them casually. They really are very versatile. Happy Reindeer obviously is the centerpiece of this bracelet. I just love his sparkling little collar. He is so cute, and his little antlers and his cute little face. I chose the iridescent Muranos to frame Happy Reindeer. I just love the heart core on these Muranos, and then the way the glass twinkles I thought was perfect for that winter look. Once I saw the ice formations being featured on other people's Instagram accounts, I totally knew that these needed to be the clips that I needed to just round out this entire look. So I rarely use Pandora Rose on Pandora Rose. I really do like to mix silver with my Pandora Rose to help some of the items pop, but I thought that the white iridescent Muranos helped achieve that look, as well as the ice formation clips. This bracelet has been really fun to wear, especially on the days that I don't want to be over the top with my Christmas bracelet. This has just been a simple design to add, and I don't really stack it. So there you have it. There's my super simple mini design on how I designed my mesh bangle. What do you think? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And for the comment, I would like to know, do you prefer simple, smaller mini designs, or do you like full bracelets? If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.